True wireless earphones. This is the bad boy that started it all, the Apple Airpods. And after it making waves in the tech industry and it becoming some sort of like icon that tells people that you can afford stuff, a lot of other companies have followed suit and made their own true wireless headphones. By the way, to those who don't know, it's called true wireless headphones because there are literally no wires. There used to be wireless headphones wherein there would still be something that would connect both earphones, like a wire at the back. This one, there are no more wires to either set of earphones. Now, it started with this one, but several others came after. You have the Samsung Galaxy Buds over here, of course, from Samsung, powered by AKG. You have the Huawei FreeBuds Lite, which looks a lot like the Apple Airpods. You have the Under Armour JBL True Wireless Flash, built for people who have an active lifestyle and are looking for true wireless headphones that are built more for working out. You have more affordable versions or options. We have the Xiaomi AirDots, which we did a review on. That did really well. Link to that can be found down below. You also have the Hailu GT1, which sells for less than 1,000 pesos here in the Philippines. The review to this coming soon, guys. Watch out for it. It's going to be crazy. And of course, you have the more expensive ones. You have the Louis Vuitton Horizon AirPods, which sell for over 60,000 pesos, which is just insane. And then we have this. This is the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earphones. And this, compared to all of the earphones I have on the table, is easily the best sounding earphones in the lot. Now, this is not going to be cheap. It's actually quite expensive at a little over 18,000 pesos. But if you're after sound quality and you want a premium device that delivers the best listening experience, this is definitely something you guys have to check out. We're going to unbox it and then we're going to do a review of the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. Why? Because we have four, not one, not two, not three, but four ongoing giveaways. It's crazy, right? 4 giveaways. Let me list them down for you one by one. We're giving away an Adidas ZX4000 4D sneaker, brand new, courtesy with our partnership with Shoe Freak PH. We're giving away 3 Jollibee Funko Pops. 2 the normal version, 1 with the special limited edition Barong. We're doing a giveaway of Bacious products ranging from power banks and earphones and cables. And lastly, we're giving away 2 smartphones. We're giving away a Redmi Note 7. We're giving away an Oppo A5s. All of the mechanics of those 4 individual giveaways are listed down below, but the main qualifier or the basic thing you have to do to qualify for any, you have to subscribe to my channel, you have to follow me on Instagram, and you have to join our Facebook community, the links of which can be found down below. After you do all 3, click the individual links of the mechanics written in the description box for the 4 giveaways so you guys can join. The first batch, I think, ends on August 1. The second batch ends on August 11. So you still have time. Join now. Good luck. Let's get right into it. You have the box over here. It says Momentum True Wireless. And you have the basic features, music and calls, touch control, voice assistant, battery life, and charging case. I guess they should have put like best sound quality to make it even stand out some more. You have like details of the app. Yes, folks, it comes with an app. The app allows for you to control like the settings of the sound. You have like an equalizer, an easy to use intuitive equalizer, as well as turning on the ambient sound capabilities of the device. You have a little more details here. It says Qualcomm aptX low latency, which is really all about the Bluetooth technology that they are using. For example, one of the main issues that a lot of people have with true wireless earphones is that it tends to lag when they're watching videos. By having the Qualcomm aptX and the low latency, that shouldn't be a big problem with the Momentum True Wireless from Sennheiser. Let's pop the box open. Boom! And here you guys have it. You have the carrying case and you have the buds at the bottom. So let's start with the carrying case because it looks really interesting. As you guys can see, it's not your typical metal or plastic case. It comes in a cloth type of case with the Sennheiser logo over here. You have the USB-C slot over here for charging. You have the button to pair and to turn on as well. You have an LED light indicator, and if you pop it open, that's Sennheiser, and you have the magnetic ports to be able to charge the buds. Now let's go for the buds. Let's just take it out of the box over here. So it's not the smallest as you guys can see, it's not the smallest buds in the lot, but that's because the drivers are not that small as well, which means that the sound quality are supposed to be much better because of the technology and the sound engineering put into these two buds. You have the Sennheiser logo here along the outer face of the buds, and then you have left and right as well as the magnetic ports there at the inner part of the earbuds. Now, one of the most important things that a lot of people don't understand is that you have to find the right fit for your earphones and for your earbuds. You do not just usually go for the default like tips, especially if you have big or small ears, and that's where the next item in our unboxing comes in. It does come with a bunch of wireless silicone tips in different sizes, so you pick the one that best fits you. I actually went with the larger sized one. I removed the default, went with the larger one to be able to get a better fit, because when I went with the default, I was actually disappointed with the initial sound quality, and it was massive sound leaks. However, after putting in the right size, much better, easily 3-4 times better when it comes to quality and isolation. Now let's talk about sound quality. How does this sound? How does it deliver in terms of overall like music? So let's say you love listening to, let's pick a nice Baguette's OPM song. Let's say you love listening to OPM songs, ballads from such as Unique, Four of Spades, Ben and Ben. This will really come in handy, because the best part about these earphones is that they deliver you a neutral, balanced, but very clear and distinct sound quality. You will hear everything from the individual twangs of the strings of the guitar, from the acoustic like tones of the, you know, the song, to that minute details of the voice of the singer as he says, as he goes up, down, left and right, whatever it is that they do with their singing, and everything that you would want in earphones you get with this one. Amazing sound quality, guys. Now I'm sure you're probably thinking, Carlo, what's the difference between an 18,000 earphones between my 9,000 peso, 8,000 peso AirPods? A lot. And it's hard to describe because I'm trying to put it into words, but the best thing I can tell you is that I've tried most earphones ranging from 1,000 to 60,000 pesos. So I pretty much know what I'm talking about at this point. Now, to all of you bass heads out there, the good news is that you can just ramp the bass up using the equalizer and adjust it with the app. So if you want that loud, punchy, overwhelming bass, just ramp it up on the app and you should be able to get that. However, the default is already pretty good. It's actually my style of bass. It's not overwhelming. It's not too punchy. It's just right. By the way, I really feel that you hear a lot more with this earphones compared to a lot of the previous earphones that I've featured in the past. So it's able to amplify a lot of the minute little details of the song, which I think is something that a lot of audiophiles and die-hard fans of those musicians, artists, and bands will appreciate. What about battery life? Now, usually I get anywhere from 3.5 to 4 hours on one charge on the earphones. The carrying case delivers an additional 2 sets of full charges. So altogether, you should be able to get anywhere from maybe 10 to 12 hours of battery life with the earphones and the carrying case. That's not bad at all. Also, if you guys are thinking of bringing it to the gym or taking it running, 2 things you need to know. 1, it is sweat proof, so that's good. It's also water resistant slightly, so if it's raining, it should survive. Number 2, it fits really well. So if you have it in your ears, it shouldn't fall out. If you're running, if you are jumping, if whatever it is you're doing, it should be able to keep its place right there. Also, just like with the other earphones that I mentioned, it does have like that ambient sound technology, so tapping it pauses the bit and you still hear the audio, but the noise around you is amplified by the microphone and the earphones. So you get a better sense of what's going around you, especially when you're running outside or when you want to talk to somebody, you don't have to pop the earphones out anymore. Also, this has got to be one of the best microphones that I've had in true wireless earphones. So it definitely rivals the quality that you get with the Apple Airpods. And lastly, it does come with a 2-year full service warranty if you buy it from official retailers. And speaking of retailers, if you want to pick this one up, they did just open their store over at Lazada. So the Sennheiser store, I will put the link down below. Use whatever codes or coupons that you guys have if you want to buy this at a discount. Again, it does come with 2 years full warranty. So if there is one issue with the Sennheiser wireless momentum. It's really that it doesn't give you 100% sound isolation, but that can be both a good thing and a bad thing. It's a good thing because at least you still hear what's happening around you. The bad thing is, if it's really loud outside, there is a tendency for the sound to leak in your ear, which might disrupt the listening experience. So that's the only main con that I was able to, well, see with this particular set of earphones. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up my review for the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earphones. Chances are, if you see me listening to music while I'm in a coffee shop or while I'm in a restaurant or walking around, this will most likely be the earphones I have in my ears. If you do catch me in the gym, just because I have several, you probably see me with this one. But anyway, when it comes to just chilling out and listening to my favorite music, you can probably bet that you will see me with this. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to join the mechanics, join the giveaways that we have. We have the 4 ongoing ones. It would totally suck if you guys don't join because it's for free anyway, so might as well do it, right? So if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the best time to do so. I hope you all had a great weekend, and I pray that you all have a fantastic week ahead. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.